What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. I am Imani Murray and this is my YouTube channel, and today we're going to be discussing whether or not you should make your Instagram a business or creator account. So if you're wondering what is the difference, what am I getting out of either of them, should I even make the switch, stay tuned and we'll get right into it. Okay, so what is a business account? What is a creator account? So technically, they're both considered professional Instagram accounts. Business Instagram accounts were the first one. It was before 2018, it was a personal account or a business account. Now you have personal, business, and creator. So business accounts are catered more to retailers, if you're a service provider, if you're an organization, if you're a local business. That's what a business account is catered towards. Creator account is more for people that are influencers, content creator, content producers, public figures, artists, all of the above. That's who Instagram intends the creator account to be used by. I currently have a creator account and my business has a business account. So I'm able to see the difference and play around with both of them. They pretty much are very similar. There's only a few differences between the two, but when the creator account was first introduced, there are a few things that Instagram was saying would only be available with creator account. The main one was a change in your mailbox. So you would be getting a simplified messaging inbox. So that would include a primary, a general, and a request sections in your inbox. Primary is where you talk to the people you really want to talk to. General is where you can turn your notifications off and just keep it over there if you don't really want to talk to those people. And then you have the request, where people who you don't follow, if they send you a message, it'll go in that account until you accept it. Now, when creator first launched, Instagram was saying, oh, that the creator is the only one that's going to have that ability. Business accounts are now able to have that ability. Another thing that Instagram said that creator accounts would only have are the in-depth insights. You would be able to receive more insights on your posts, which is not true anymore. Business accounts can receive the same insights. Another thing that Instagram said creator accounts only had was the option to hide your category, title, and your contact information. Once again, something else that business accounts now have. So you're probably sitting there thinking, okay, so what does the creator account have that the business doesn't? So creator accounts have what's called the Creator Studio, and it's available on your desktop through the Facebook website. So FYI, if you have a business or creator account, you automatically have to create a Facebook account. So when you go into Facebook, you click, you're gonna see, you're gonna be able to access your creator account. So in there, that gives you some insights. It tells you, the age and gender of your followers, when they're on Instagram, where they're from. It also gives you a breakdown of all of your posts, including IGTV, a carousel post, your stories, and it gives you different insights on that as well. Another thing in the Creator Studio that business accounts can do is you're able to schedule your post on there, which is, it's pretty convenient. So you can schedule your feed post and your IGTV post. Now, I'm going to put this disclaimer out there now. If you do switch over to a creator account and you like to schedule posts through a third-party app, you can no longer do that if you have a creator account. You can only do that with a business account. So some people may not be happy about that, but yeah. Another thing that creator accounts have the ability to do is to choose from a longer list of category titles. Whereas with business accounts, you can only choose from like health and beauty, very generic overall categories. Creator accounts, you can pick from entrepreneur, content creator, digital creator, makeup artist, hairstylist. So many individualized categories. So that makes it a little different for each of them. the one major, it's not major, but the one major thing that business accounts have versus creator accounts is a call to action button. So if you are an appointment-based service, or if you're trying to sell tickets to an event or something, you're able to do that right from your Instagram with a business Instagram account. You cannot do that with a creator account. So if I wanted to sell tickets to one of my events, I can't use my It's Imani Murray Instagram to sell tickets right from my profile. I would have to do it from my company Leader and Co's page, which I do that all the time. It's super helpful. You can literally just, right where it says contact, there's another button slot that you can put get tickets or book appointment or any of the above. Why can't I speak? So that's a major difference between the creator and business accounts, is the call to action button. Another thing that Instagram literally just announced today, right before I started filming this video, is starting July 9th, creator account and business accounts. Business accounts already have this ability, but creators will be able to add shoppable tags to their post. So say you're a travel photographer and you wanted to sell some of your prints. As long as you have a website, you're able to connect your website to your Instagram and Facebook, and then create a shop and then tag your whatever item you're selling. You can tag it in your picture and you're able to sell it. Same thing if you are a musician and you have merch you want to sell, you can connect it right to your social media and your supporters will be able to shop right within the app. And with this new update, with this new policy, it's giving a much wider range of businesses the possibility and the ability to participate in Instagram shop and Facebook shop. So it's definitely convenient. Instagram is definitely trying to find different ways to make sure that their users, the content creators, the businesses are staying within the app and are figuring out different ways to use the app and interact with their followers and their supporters. So there's a lot happening within Instagram. There's a lot of changes happening. I know they're talking about IGTV monetization. They're talking about live shopping. So if you're on live and your supporters can literally shop your product while they're watching your live. Another thing that Instagram has mentioned that they'll be doing soon is updating and expanding their brands collab manager access, so users, content creators, influencers, everybody can find brand partners easier. Same difference, you get what I'm saying. They'll be able to, find brand partners better, so that's huge. So yeah, so in my opinion, it really just depends on what you're looking to get out of your Instagram. Are you a creative? Are you a company? Are you selling something? Are you offering a service? It really all just depends on what you're looking for and what you're looking to get out of Instagram. Like I said, I have a creator app. I'm the creator Instagram. I'm not gonna lie, I don't really see the difference between a creator and business account. But I will say I do want to start playing around more with the Creator Studio and scheduling my posts and all of the above. But having a business account, like I had a business account before and I was just fine. And right before I did this video, I made sure I compared the different accounts because I was like, I thought I was going crazy. I didn't really see a difference. And I've seen other people say they haven't really seen a difference. So like I said, it really just depends on what you're looking to get out of it. And if you're a business, like my creative agency, we're a business, so I'm not switching over to the creator. I'm not switching over to the creator account. So if you're a business, I recommend that you stay a business account. And if you are a business and you don't have a business account, then you need to contact me because you need a business account. Like, what are you doing? I hope you guys learned something today. If you're gonna make the switch from business to creator or creator back to business, Let me know. I would love to hear how you guys feel. And as always, follow me on all social media at It's Imani Murray. Thank you again for watching, and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you in my next video. See you in my next video.